What could this be? What could this be? Oh, what could this be? Brother against brother. What could this be? What could this be? What could this be? What could this be? What could we are fighting one another. What could this be? What could this be? We should be brothers. No more fighting. No woman can come in between us. Here we are.
Afunwa, I was actually knocking at your door. I never knew you were here. I want us to talk.
If it's about what is going on between Lutana and I, then I'm not interested.
Listen, you cannot continue like this with Lutana because of a woman. Eh?
Go in there and talk to Lutana if you value his life. He should tell me where he's hiding my girl. If after 24 hours he doesn't tell me where he's hiding her, nobody in this house would like my action.
What is wrong with both of you? Huh? I wonder what you two saw in that gate that should be fighting over her like this.
Olama! I am done talking to you. Now make yourself scarce.
Afunwa, you really want me to leave?
I said leave!
But I just want you to say it from this angle. Please.
Are you still here? I said get out of here!
I will leave. Fine, I will leave.
Nonsense! Oh. You're here to advise me. Better go talk to Lutana if you value his life.
I don't care. I don't care anymore. You can go ahead and then kill yourself. What is all this?
Mama, what is it?
Mother, I am no longer interested in whatever that is going on between Afunwa and Lutana in this house. They can go ahead and kill themselves if that is what they want.
No. You don't have to talk like that. They are your brothers. Moreover, nobody is going to kill each other. Okay?
I am sick and tired of everything, Mother. Nobody wants to listen to advice. So let them be. Let them go ahead and kill themselves because of that local village girl. What?
Lord, please calm down. Calm down. Eh? Everything will be okay. Just relax. Let me go and talk to him.
Imagine, you will talk to Afunwa, Mba, talk to Lutana. What else do they want us to do? What else? We should leave this house for them. That would be better.
Afunwa.
Afunwa.
Afunwa, is it not you that I'm calling? Huh? What did you tell your sister?
Mother, please. I do not need any disturbance right now.
Are you out of your mind? Are you out of your senses? If you do not listen to your mother, who will you listen to?
Mother, thank you. Thank you for the slap. I've always known you never liked me. Thank you. But can you now please leave? Please.
Just imagine. Can you imagine? Who did this to you? Who did this to both of you, you and your brother? I know it is not ordinary. If it is a spell, I'll make sure that I remove it from your eyes. But I'll have to find out whatever it is. Just imagine. Eh? If it is a spell, I will make sure I cast it off your eyes and off your brother's eyes. It's okay. I know what to do. Drink! Stop it!
Mother.
And that is the reason you're talking to me. Give me that drink! Give it to me! I said give me that drink!
Don't try it, Mother.
Give it to me. Anofia. Eh? One will not stay at peace in this house. One will not rest from one problem to the other.
What could this be? What could this be? A brother against brother. What could this be? What could this be? What could we are fighting one another. What could this be? What could this be?
Your uncle insisted he does not know the whereabouts of Olaedo. But I think he's lying to me. Something tells me he's lying.
Mama, I'm sure Olaedo went out with Ebere.
Mama, he suggests we break the door to her room.
What? Why?
I feel she has run away with her things.
What? Why did you say so? Is there something you know and you're not telling us?
I don't know anything, no. I'm just suggesting. I'm only suggesting, Mama. Let us break the door. It will cost us nothing.
What made you say that?
Mama, I think I agree with my sister's suggestion. Let's break the door. It will cost us nothing.
Mama, let's go and break the door now. Should I bring cutlass or knife? Or what should I do?
Cutlass. You use cutlass to break door.
Anything. Let's just break the door. Break it, Mama. Should we bring this thing? Mama, let us go and break the door. You're wasting time. Let's go and break the door. Mama, stand up.
Oh my God! Sis! Olaedo, is this you?
Yes, so look at how beautiful you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So,
you're welcome.
you're the visitor Mama was talking about over the phone?
Yes, I told Mama not to tell you I'm the one. I wanted to surprise.
Good to see you. Where is Mama?
She's inside sleeping.
Come.
See how beautiful you're looking.
Like this?
Wow.
Thank you, Sissy.
Hey,
oh
good
my
to see
God.
you.
Good
No,
to see you. It's been like ages. Hey. Please come inside.
You're looking good though.
Thanks.
Where on earth could Olaedo be? Her people claim that they don't know her whereabouts. But I think I should visit her uncle. Maybe he will tell me where she is.
Remember, 24 hours, and I'm already counting down. Make no mistake about it.
I wish I knew where she is. Promise you one thing. You will never set eyes on her again.
Oh, don't try to deny knowing where she is. I know you hid her, but I will not take it from you.
Keep flaunting your foolishness. I am patiently waiting for your 24 hours to elapse.
Foolishness.
You heard me.
I see. You underestimate me, huh? We shall see.
Bring it on, little brother.
What could this be? What could this be? Oh, what could this be? A brother against brother. What could this be? What could this be? What could this be? What could this be? What could we are fighting?
Mama told me about the problem you're having with your fiancé.
I'm really sorry about that.
Yeah, that's true. You know, he left me for another woman. It hasn't been easy.
I understand. I pray he realizes his mistake and come back to you.
It is well. I just hope for the best. Honestly, it hasn't been easy because I love him so much.
It's okay.
Anyway, let's not go there. So, about you, this one you just came all of a sudden. What happened? You haven't visited us in a long time.
Nothing really happened. I decided to come and see you and Mama.
I will not buy that. Yes.
You don't believe me?
No, because I know since the death of your parents, you haven't come to see us or visited us. So,
I'm here now.
And you're sure everything is fine? Thank you so much for coming. As if you knew I need someone around.
I'm here. Don't worry, you'll be happy. Oh?
Thank you. No, I want to show you something. Yes, I want you to change your look. Come. I said it. I know you are too nice.
Nobody knows her whereabouts, including my own daughter, Eberechi. Eberechi left here since yesterday in search of drinking water. Nobody has seen or heard anything about her. It's a problem.
So, have you reported this to the police?
I did not, because I'm yet to understand what is going on.
We should. I mean, it's a very serious issue. We need to let the police know about this so that they can start acting as soon as possible. Yes. Well, just in case you need anything, do not hesitate to let me know. Okay. Here's my card.
Go ahead.
Yeah. So call me anytime you need anything.
I will.
Olaedo must be found.
Okay. It's a matter. It's a problem. But we will fix it. God on our side, we will fix it. You know?
We have to fix it.
It's okay. It's okay.
I have to start going.
Why not? I will call you if they need be.
So just call me if you need anything.
It's a matter. Bye-bye. Oh, drive gently. And please don't make a call while you are driving. When you get home, you call me. You know?
Brother, please, oh. No, please,
Come on, fetch one, shut up.
Sorry, sir. I've told you all the truth, I know, please. Please, just allow me go home. I'm sure my father is looking for me. He has only me, oh, he would die, please. Just let me go. Please.
have ear problem. Can you come again?
Say something.
I said, just repeat what you said. I have ear problem.
I see my father.
Oh, okay. You want to go?
Is looking, yes.
Ooh, you want to go and meet your father?
Yes.
Okay. You want to leave?
Yes.
You want to go and see your father?
Yes.
Your story is touching. Very touching. So how do we do it now?
Just let me go.
Okay, you want to go? Okay. Hey, your story is touching. Your story is touching. But we can help you. We can let you go. You are the one keeping yourself here.
No.
Do you know that? Do you know that you can make yourself leave?
Yes.
We can let you go. But let's do it this way. Tell us the whereabouts of Olaedo. Tell us where she is. Then we will let you go. Won't we let her go?
We let her go.
Brother.
Say something.
See, I swear, brother, see, I swear with everything. If I know, I don't. Why would I want to die for nothing? If I know, I would tell you. Oh, please now.
Hey, stop crying. You're a beautiful girl. Beautiful girls don't cry. And I hate seeing people cry. The last girl I cried, I killed her.
I'm not crying.
Hey, so stop crying. Stop
yes,
crying.
Sir.
Stop, don't cry again. Don't cry again. Look me very well.
Yes, sir.
Look at him.
Yes, sir.
Look at this one.
Yeah, yes, brother.
Do we look like AY?
AY.
Have you watched our skit? We don't do comedy. We are not comedians. If you don't tell us where Olaedo is, you will remain here.
Hey. Brother, please now.
Focus!
If I know, I will tell you. Please. I am begging you.
You have 3 days to tell us the whereabouts of Olaedo.
Oh.
Now listen. Do you know what we do for a living? We kill for a living.
Okay.
And once we kill, we don't even remember. We don't think about it. We don't have conscience.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
We are conscience phobia.
Yes, sir.
Yes. You see, 3 days.
Ma'am, please, I beg you. I don't know. Please don't kill me. I don't know.
Well.
Yes, sir.
Keep your face well, make your picture fine.
Yes, sir.
Keep your face well.
Yes, sir.
Make your picture fine.
Yes, sir.
Smile. Relax. Pause. Observations. Beggar.
Boss.
Silencer.
Yes, boss.
I don't want to hear a story. So, 3 days. Think about it.
Come on, sit down well.
Brother, beg.
Come on, sit down.
You are waiting my boss tell you. 3 days.
Sorry.
If you refuse to tell us Olaedo's whereabouts, I will tell you, say, they need to travel for P wake by 9 p.m. You hear it?
Sorry, sir. Brother, beg.
No, this is not happening. No. Mom! This is not happening. Mom! This is not happening. This is not happening. This is not happening. This is not happening. Mom, this is not happening. God. Hey! This is not happening. Open the gate!
Why are they running helter-skelter as if someone has died? Imagine they couldn't even talk to me.
one name, one day. Maki, gini, maki, gini kana so, gini kana no logo. If an amen, Messiana one name, one day. Maki, gini, maki, one.
Mama, have you seen this?
They are so beautiful. Oh.
Yes. Hey, they are so fine.
You mean my daughter gave you all this?
Yes, Mama.
Hey! This reminds me when I got married to my late husband. Your late mother never allowed me to lack anything. She used to tell people that her late brother's wife would be the best among all the married women in this community. She was such a nice woman.
Yes, I know. I know.
Mama, good afternoon.
Welcome.
Vicky, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Mom.
Welcome.
Good afternoon. Please, is Chiduto in?
Yes, let me call her.
Okay.
Mama, I'm busy.
Okay.
Oh, Vicky. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You didn't tell me you were coming.
Mama, please, let me see Chiduto for 1 minute.
Okay.
Thank you.
I hope everything is okay.
Come, just come.
Oh, okay.
Mama. If I'm gonna shine.
Hey.
I'm just returning from the hospital where I went to see my friend that just put to bed.
Oh, okay. Hope she's fine.
She's fine.
Okay.
Chiduto. What I saw when I was leaving the hospital marveled me.
Marveled you? How? What did you see?
I saw Lutanna on a stretcher when I was leaving the hospital.
Jesus! You did what?
I saw Lutanna on the stretcher.
My Lutanna! Oh, what happened to him? What happened? What happened?
Just calm down. He was shot by unknown gunmen.
Hey!
Put yourself together, calm down.
Hope he's fine. Hope Lutanna is not dead. Tell me he's not dead. Tell me he's not dead.
Just put yourself together.
Tell me he's not dead. What happened to him?
Wait. When I left the hospital, he was in a critical condition. But I don't know if he's still alive or dead.
Hey! What's the name of the hospital? I'm going there.
No. You can't go there now.
Tell me the name of the hospital.
You can't go there now. Even if you do, you won't see him because when I was leaving the hospital, he was still at the theater.
No problem. I'll wait behind. Let me get my handbag.
No. Calm down now.
No, let me get my handbag. I have to leave.
Calm down, please. Calm down.
No, I can't take
calm
this.
Down.
No, don't tell me to calm down. Can you Lutanna be?
Please, now. Come on. You can't go there like that. You can't. You won't even see him if you go there. Control yourself.
No.
Calm down.
What could this be? Oh, what could this be? Brother against brother. What could this be? What could this be? What could this be? What could we are fighting one man, not what could this be? Should be brother. No more fighting. No more making.
What is happening? My mother is not picking her call. And Uloma is not picking hers. I need to know what is going on. Look at the time, it's getting very late. could this be?
What could this be?
Loma, what happened? Loma, what happened? I've been trying to call your mother. Oh, Loma! Oh, Loma, I'm talking to you!
We should be brothers. No more fighting. No woman can come in between us. For here we are, killing one another. With all our strength, we hurting one another.
Oh my God. What is going on? The phone number of this young man who promised me to report this matter to the police it's switched off even. What am I going to do? Eh? This young man promised to report this matter to the police. Eh? He advised me that this thing is very important to report it to the police. Yet his number is not going through. And I don't even have a dime. Eh? What am I going to do? Ebere. Eh? Chai. Yes. Ebere. Ebere. Oh. Ebere. 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 Huh? What? Ebere. Hey! Ebere. 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 Ebere! 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 Ebere!
Oh, sis, how is he?
My dear, he's fine. Thank God. I'm just happy that the bullet did not pass through his heart.
Thank God.
Sisi, please come and assist me. I need to hurry up and get some things to the hospital.
All right.
Come.
Hey. Papa, they said they will kill me if after 3 days I do not tell them Olaedo's whereabouts. Even when I told them I do not know her whereabouts, those men are mean.
Hey! But who are they?
Papa, I do not know them. I've never seen them before.
Eh? Hey.
I managed to escape because they were fighting over money. I didn't even know I would make it out alive.
Hey! Thank God. Thank God. Ebere, what would I have done if they had killed you? Eh?
Papa, let's just thank God I came out alive. Honestly.
Police Ado. Eh?
Papa, please, I'm hungry.
You are hungry?
Yes, I want to eat.
Let me get you your food. Eh? Let me get you your food.
Hey, Papa, please. Have you seen Olaedo?
Olaedo? Hey! Olaedo has been missing since the day you were abducted. I'm telling you.
How? When?
Don't worry. What? Let me get your food first. Then we'll talk about Olaedo later. Wait. There is water. I will still bring water. Yeah? I will drink water.
Hey. Olaedo. No wonder those men were asking me for her whereabouts.
What could this be? What could this be? Oh, what could this be? A brother against brother. What could this be? What could this be?
Holly, let me run along immediately, okay? I might not be coming back today. Yeah. Okay. You made a mention of some things you want to get for yourself, right? Okay. So use this money.
10,000.
Yeah, it won't be enough.
No,
if it won't be enough, I can give you more.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. My God will reward you abundantly.
Amen. It's my sister. You're so funny. Okay.
Mama.
I'm leaving.
Leaving to where, Chichi? After everything this young man did to you because of another woman, you still have the guts to ignore my little advice. Huh?
Mama, remember, 2 wrongs cannot make a right.
Not in this matter. My daughter, open your brain. So you think he will take you back after recovering? My daughter, use your brain. Go to the hospital. Sleep there. Do everything with him. But please, please and please, don't come back here crying. Because if you do, you will see the other side of me.
It's okay. See, I don't want you to worry yourself because of what Mama just said. She's being a mother. Inugo, my prayer for you is that your boyfriend will come back to you. Inugo. It's okay, don't cry. But you know Mama loves you. She just wants you to be okay. Ochoro be gay again. Mama wants you to be happy. Oh, don't misunderstand her. Inugo.
Thank you.
Good morning, ma.
What is good about the money? What is good about the money? I had your back. So where is Olaedo? Why are you looking at me like that as if you didn't hear what I said? Where is Olaedo?
I don't know her whereabouts. Besides, I was kidnapped. I managed to run home yesterday.
Liar! You were not kidnapped. If you were kidnapped, your father would have come to borrow money from me to pay for the ransom or probably say something. Instead of you to tell the whole world that you went to stay with your boyfriend and enjoy yourselves, you're telling people you were kidnapped and probably gave her Olaedo one.
I am not lying. I don't know her whereabouts.
Who was there when you were kidnapped?
Everybody in this village knows I was kidnapped.
Good morning.
What are you doing here?
I came to ask your daughter Olaedo's whereabouts because they left together.
She doesn't know anything about Olaedo. If anything happens to that girl, you'll be the one to be held responsible.
Me?
Is that clear?
Is that what you said?
I will say it anywhere in the world.
Your daughter went to enjoy herself at her boyfriend's house and you are joining her to propagate that she was kidnapped. Is that how much did you pay?
Oh, please, leave here.
No problem. What money do you have? Did you sell any land to pay for the ransom? Let her be here and be deceiving you. Let her always not get pregnant too. That's the funny man because in fact, I was that woman that you impregnated her.
Listen to me. Next time she comes here asking you about Olaedo, don't pay attention.
Yes,
she's
Papa.
going bananas. It's obvious.
Honestly, I would have insulted her. I just pitied her. Next time she comes. But wait though. Olaedo is missing. Where could she be?
I spoke to the mom last night. So...
What did she say?
She She was just saying that I should come over to the house.
Go over now. Go and see her.
I would do no such thing. I won't do that. That's like bringing down myself. He should be the one inviting me, not the other way around. Please, I'm ashamed of myself.
You don't have to be. See, let me tell you, you're my sister. I love you so much. I will advise you. Don't allow ego or pride to ruin this thing. The mother is inviting you. The mother. You don't even know why the mother is calling you. Let's go. See, I'll go with you. I'll be by your side. Oh, don't feel like that.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. You know men now. Oh, you can't pay your bride price by yourself. I won't deceive you.
If you say so, sis. Yeah, that reminds me. I got you something last night. But due to state of my mind, I couldn't give it to you. I'm coming.
She's such a good woman. God, please bless her.
Here we go.
Phone.
Yes.
Thank you so much. My God, in fact, God will bless you for me. Amen. You will not slack. You will shine like the morning star. You see that your boyfriend? He's your own.
Amen.
He's your own.
Amen.
He's your own.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So now you have a phone. You're now a big girl, so you can call me and tell me I want this, I want that, I want that.
No, mother. What kind of question is that? I don't understand. What kind of question is that now? Yes. I don't get it.
How would you understand? How would you understand? Afonwa, how could you do such a thing to your own blood? You threatened to deal with your brother within 24 hours. Before the end of 24 hours, he was nearly assassinated.
So that makes me a suspect. Is it?
Huh. Oh, you don't know. You don't know. You are lucky that he survived it. You are so heartless and wicked. Your own blood. Your own brother.
Mother, I will not have you accuse me of something I did not do.
What is shut up?
Mother, it's unacceptable.
I said shut up your mouth. Just because of a woman. How can you deny it? How can you deny of not sending assassins to your own brother? Just because of a woman.
Mother, I know why you're saying all this thing. You hate me. I've always known it. But no problem. It's fine. No problem.
Just listen to yourself. Your own mother hates you. How does it sound to your ears? Now answer me this question. If you are innocent as you claimed, what stops you from visiting your brother at the hospital? Just tell me, what stops you?
Mother, I don't know. But it's not possible. There is no way I would send assassin after my brother. It's not possible.
I see. There is no problem. I will come to it. Just wait for me. Let me come back. You will see.
Oh, I will wait, Mother. I will wait. He is here to tell me where he hid my Olaedo. Olam! He think I don't know his ploys and tricks, Abi? I'll be here waiting for him.
What could this be? What could this be? Oh, what could this be? Brother against brother. What could this be? What could this be? What could this be? What could this be? What could we are fighting?
I'm good. I think I should be going now.
So what about the money you promised me?
Come tomorrow.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
In my own house! Wait, what is the meaning of this? What is going on here?
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, Abo. What are you doing? What is this thing doing in my house?
Mama, he's my friend. His name is Amechi.
Yes. Amechi killed you.
Amechi.
And kill your generation.
So you now have the effrontery to bring a man. Man, I brought man. You bring men into my house. Or bring here.
Mama, it's not men. No, Mama, I don't used to bring men. No, it's not men. It's just him. I don't used to.
Until they are 100. That is when he becomes man.
Mama, he's just my friend.
Biaoga? Or mechanic? Or farmer? Or schoolboy? Leave. Nando. Just leave now before I lose my head. Leave.
Okay. Baby. I'll see you later.
It's the baby. 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 Oh, you get one. I want baby. If I baby more for that, you're not gonna make you. Instead of to bring your husband, half for Corobia.
I heard about your brother and I am here to see him. How is he?
If you're here for my brother, why don't you go straight to the hospital?
Afunwa, the last time I checked, we are not quarreling. Anyways, I am not only here because of your brother. I am also here for us to talk. It's been a while now and you stopped picking my calls.
Tina, I have explained things to you severally, but you just don't want to get it. I've made it clear to you. Things can no longer work between us. Before we started, I told you about Olaedo and how I lost her contact. Now that I've found her, there's absolutely nothing I can do.
Oh, really? Tell me, what then happens to me?
Well, you don't expect me to answer that question, because I'm sure you know the answer.
Afunwa, I don't know anything. The only thing I know is that you made a promise to me and you are going to fulfill it, whether you like it or not. I don't care what you think about Olaedo or whatsoever her name is. All I know is that you promised me marriage and you are going to marry me, whether you like it or not.
Nonsense. Let me see your leg here again. I must marry you. So marriage is now by fire by force. Well, I made the promise and I can as well withdraw it. By the way, who even opened the gate for her? Huh? Where's that stupid faggot? Udoka! Where's the idiot? Where's that sick bastard? Udoka! I know you're sleeping by this time of the day. Idiot!
Get up, Aga! Oh no, she won! Oh no, she!
Mama,
what have I done to you and your sister? Why can't you forgive me peace in my own house? Every day is one man, one electric. If you talk now, if you touch me again, I will kill you.
Mama, I'm sorry.
You are sorry. That is what you say every day. Yeah, the next day you bring bigger men. This one you brought, that looks like a rag. Is that what you want for yourself? Your sister is nowhere to be seen. What is wrong with you two? When you should have been in your own husband's house raising your children. Yeah, and I go no va. Are you mad? Turn your father's house into a chalet. Are you mad? Can't you stay without men? Men are half men. It was to work. Idiot. That man should have been here. Can come to his manhood. Michacha. Go from Gatora Biati. That's the kind of man he brought into the house. That thing. Hey! 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 Go inside.
I am inside. I'm inside already. Ah, Mama inside.
Hey! What kind of children did I have? Hey! Hey!
From one problem to the other.
Where have you been? They've been looking for you everywhere.
Okay, please. I want you to do me a favor. Biko. Don't tell anyone you saw me.
Huh?
Yes.
How will I? But okay, I will. But your people have been looking for you.
Ike Biko Nuna. Okay, see, you did not see me. I did not see you. Inugo. Agreed. Biko Nuna. But
Biko
Nunu. Biko.
Okay.
No, Obama. Biko.
Oh, okay, no problem. I need to know where she's going to. Okay, when did I see her?
Hey.
Mom. Order. Good afternoon. Welcome, my love. Thank you. Good to see you.
Mother, meet my beloved wife.
Good to see you.
All right, mother, it's good to see you too. Let's go in.
So after all my warning, you still went ahead and married her. Against my wish.
Afua.
Please.
Put the gun down.
Please.
We can talk. You can't kill your brother.
Don't put the trigger, please.
Let's put the gun down, please.
Please. Shut up! Please, my son, put down the gun.
So you think I would let him take you away from me? No. Never! No. Please.
Because they know.
Please, don't.
What? Lotanna, where is your brother?
I noticed that the house was becoming too hot for him. So as a loving elder brother, I decided to do him a favor. I checked him into a police station, very close to cell 2. Perhaps he should be in cell 1. Huh?
Mother, didn't I tell you? Lotanna, I remember telling you not to get the police involved in this.
Mother, please. What's all this? Someone chased me with 2 machetes. 2. You wanted to kill me.
And then I took him to the police station to chill. Because that's mental case. Anyone who chases his brother with a machete is insane. Perhaps he shouldn't be in the police station. Maybe a psychiatric. How about that?